Hey YouTube, Bill here, aka Whiskey Lima, and today we'll be unboxing and installing the LS100 lighting kit from Corsair. This kit is designed as an external lighting kit, primarily for the use on the back of your monitor, but you can use the strips anywhere you like really. I'm unboxing the LS100 Starter Kit here, and the first thing you'll see is the external lighting hub. This is where the power and micro USB cables will be connected, along with two channels for lighting to allow you to connect strips for different areas of your setup. Inside the two small black boxes here are the cables and accessories needed to install your lighting strips. The second box has a power adapter, which in my case was an American plug, but that won't be the case for you if you buy this product in the UK. The micro USB cable is braided, which I do appreciate, and there are some lighting strip extension cables included too. There's also some clips and metal plates, but more about these shortly. Finally in the box is the warranty information and manual, and also the strips themselves. The strips are made from silicone and are very flexible from side to side, but lack a little bit more flexibility in the other direction unfortunately. They come with magnetic clips which can be moved along the strip. The clips I mentioned earlier are designed to hold the cables in position and keep things tidy. These come with a self-adhesive backing. The small metal plates also have adhesive backing, so you can stick these to the back of your monitor and connect the strips using the magnetic clips I mentioned earlier. The magnets seem pretty strong, but we'll see how well they work later in the video. I also received an extension kit which is an additional two longer strips, each with 27 LEDs, but I won't actually be using these in today's video. Those will be saved for a future video, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss that. Now for the installation process, and I started by giving the monitor a good clean. It's also a good idea to remove any dust so that your metal pads will stick to the plastic. Before I fixed anything in place, I worked out where everything was going to go so that I wouldn't hit any problems later. Spoiler alert, I still had issues due to user error, so at this stage you should also read the manual. Once I was happy with the position of the lighting, I started to apply the metal pads. To get them lined up, I removed the protective film on the back and then placed them onto the magnetic clips sticky side up. Once you have the metal pads on the magnets, you can put the strip into its final position and the metal pads will stick in place on your monitor. Now I remove the lighting strip to secure the pads properly, and then it's basically rinse and repeat for the rest of the strips. With all that done, it's time to connect everything up as per the instructions, and this is where I messed up. If you're paying attention, you'll notice that I have my lighting start from the lower right corner of the screen as it faces me, and it should have been on the left, so please read the manual to save yourself a lot of hassle later. For most this process should be fairly easy, but for me it was an absolute nightmare because my screen's mounted to the wall and I kept knocking the strips off when I was remounting the monitor. I think in total I must have spent an hour or more trying to get it right, but I think the results are worth the effort. Time for a quick test and then on to the software. As you can see, the lighting works really well and it can be used just like any other lighting strip from the Corsair range. You can add layered effects to create custom animations, or you can use some of the presets available too. The first of those presets is the video effect, which will create a really nice dynamic ambient lighting effect that replicates what you can see on the screen. I only have one monitor, but this can also be used for dual monitor setups and is really immersive both in-game and while watching your favourite YouTube channels, movies and TV shows. It was quite difficult for me to capture on video, but the colour accuracy and brightness are absolutely perfect. Next up is the audio visualizer mode. There are a few different settings, including the ability to select custom colours for each of the 5 intensity levels. You can also choose between horizontal and vertical, which gives you a bit more flexibility over the effect's appearance. A couple more of the presets include this fireplace effect and the borealis effect. Custom lighting effects can of course be used in the same way as any other Corsair product, which gives you loads of customization options to match your chosen colour scheme. Thank you for watching guys. Again, there is another video coming about the LS100 lighting strip, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. If you could also throw this video a like, it really helps me out as a small channel. And if you have any questions, head down to the comments section below and I'll try to answer as many as I can. See you next time.